Jedi's been sneezing, so I have to do his once over in the evenings, put his drops in and stuff. What I do is give him children's benedryl. He only likes the grape. He does not like the cherries. I keep telling people that, but no one believes me. They no longer make grape. So, let's see. Oh, he ate it. You know what? Last time, the reason why I went to get the camera is because he wouldn't eat it. He knocked it off. He wanted grape. He knocked it off his paw because he wanted grape. Darn dog. Make me look bad, Jedi.